Are you not getting the results from your Facebook ads campaigns that you'd hope for? I'm going to share with you 5 biggest mistakes I see business owners make time and time again when running Facebook ads. Just knowing some of these mistakes can turn your campaigns from this to this. So, what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. Number 1, running before you can walk. I see so many business owners rushing to starting their campaigns without having the necessary tools in place to let them know what is actually working for them. In order to run any successful Facebook campaign, you have to have a Facebook pixel installed and analytics on your website. Otherwise, you are simply just marketing in the dark. Hello? Is anyone there? The Facebook pixel will be able to tell you which demographics and ads are performing in your campaign, so you can optimize for the winners. And the analytics on your website will be able to tell you things like bounce rate, scroll depth. These are really important, so you can see any potential issues with your landing page and possible changes you need to make to convert more visitors into leads. Number 2 is not setting a realistic budget and time frame. This is the second biggest mistake I see business owners make time and time again. They don't have a realistic budget, time frame and goal in mind, so they panic when they have spent money and don't get instant results. They then turn off their ads before they're even fully going. The worst part about this is they are put off indefinitely, as they think they simply cannot do it. Facebook marketing takes time, weeks, sometimes even months. And it's important that you remember this before starting. Having a budget first means you won't panic as you've prepared yourself to spend this amount. Having a time frame will ensure you are not checking every day for results that might not come instantly. Having a goal in mind will keep you focused while you're waiting for the campaign to perform. Number 3, sending users to a non-optimized landing page. Most businesses only think about the Facebook campaign and not about where they are sending potential customers. You need to remember that getting someone to click on your ad is only half the battle. The other half is getting them to make a purchase, sign up, or request more information after they click on your ad. I have seen some of the most creative campaigns fail because they have sent visitors to a page that with slow load times or 0 click to call actions. A good landing page needs to reinforce a user straight away what they have clicked on. It must have bite-sized chunks of information for them easily to digest, and click to call actions throughout the page so no matter where they have scrolled, they can easily convert into a lead or a sale. Number 4, they don't think they need a hook. Business owners often think that they don't need a hook to convert traffic into a customer, as either their product or service is too high quality and they don't want to devalue their product. Even if they have the best product or service in the world, you need to create a reason for them to take action. You need to remember that users viewing your ads haven't searched for you. They probably even haven't heard of you before, and you have seconds to convince them to take action. The misconception is a hook has to equal money off, which is not the case. You could use something like a faster delivery time or extra reward points. Obviously a hook like a buy one get one free or a discount will always convert at a higher level, but it's certainly not the only way. Number 5, not creating enough urgency. You can have the perfect campaign, a fully optimized landing page and a killer hook, but what are you giving the user to act now? This is the piece of the puzzle that business owners often forget. You need to remember that it's hard enough to get a user to stop what they're doing to click your ad. It's then hard enough to get them to browse your landing page for more than just a few seconds. When you get into this point though, you need to give them a reason to act straight away, or they will miss out. For example, you could have a weekend only offer for your product, or limited spaces available for your online course. Whichever method you choose, it's just important to create urgency so the user feels the fear of missing out. Now you know not what to do, head over to my video on the ultimate way to run successful Facebook ads to show you exactly what you should be doing.